Hello guys. You are back on the same YouTube channel. Listen, learn, speak. Today we are going to learn the tricks to place appropriate preposition. So, here number 1 preposition is on. On preposition is used when something placed on a surface. Like rat is on the cheese. Basically, rat sit on the surface. Number 2. Above. Above preposition is used when something is at high level. For example, the dog is above the food box. Another example here, there is a mirror above sink. Another example, Anaya name was above my name in the list. Another example, the kite was flying above. Number 3. Along. The preposition along is used when something is lined up or matching the line. We walked along the road. The dog is going along the box. The chair was lined up along the wall. Number 4. Across. Across means something moves from one side to another side. For example, the dog is jumping across the boxes. The man is going across river. Number 5. Through. Through is used when something is moving from beginning to end. For example, the dog is going across the box. I looked through the window. He went through the security gate. Number 6. Under. We use under or below when something is below something else. Like, girl is under the table. Cat is under the sofa. Warning. We don't use under for lower position than something else. Like, Venus is just below the moon right now. So, we use below, not under. Under can also be used for age and measurement. Like, you have to be under 18 if you want to get allowance. We have finished the project under 1 year. Now number 7. Between. When something is in the middle of two things. For example, the rat is between the cheese. The fight happened between John and Marshall. Number 8. In. In preposition is used when something has premises or boundary. For example, water is in the glass. Lisa is in the university. We live in the United States of America. Number 9. Beside. Beside is used when something is next to or at the end. For example, the rat is standing beside cheese. I always place my dream journal beside my study table. Number 10. Over. Over is used when something is high and doing movement. For example, helicopter is moving over the building. Another sentence, a beautiful bird is flying over the lake. Number 11. Among. We use among for talking about group of people. Like, soldiers are walking and talking among themselves. The disease is spreading fast among the community. Note, among and amongst a similar preposition. Number 12. Into. When used into preposition, when something is moving from one state, condition or form to another state, condition or form. For example, dolphin is jumping into the water. State of water and state of without water is entirely changed. Therefore, we use into. Number 13. Beneath. We use beneath when something is hidden at lower level. For example, there is beautiful fish house beneath water. There was a hidden treasure beneath the ocean.